Hello, I'm Cynthia Robertson with Caldwell Banker Residential Real Estate in beautiful Destin, Florida. Today I have a new listing that I want to share with you, 85 Baywalk Court here in Miramar Beach. It's located in the community of Bay Bridge Landing. And the wonderful thing about Bay Bridge Landing, besides all the fabulous people that live here, it's the friendliest little neighborhood I've ever been in. They have an area where they have a community pool on the bay along with a boat dock and pier. The swimming pool area even has facilities. This home is just so spectacular and has been totally redone, and I am so excited to share this house with you. So come on, let's go take a tour. This house is a delight, featuring 1,380 square feet of inspiration with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The open living and dining area are light and bright, and everything is so tastefully decorated. 60-inch Samsung Smart TV conveys with the sale of this home. The dining room is quite lovely, with a new chandelier and 2 mirrors that will convey with the sale of the house. The kitchen is sure to be a delight for the chef and the family, with so much counter space and cabinets. The Samsung glass top stove and microwave are new, and the refrigerator was purchased just a year ago. There is even room for a breakfast area if so desired. New vinyl plank flooring is down the hallway and all 3 bedrooms. Master bedroom is a great size. It also has a walk-in closet. The master bath has a double vanity and nice cabinets. On the other side of the house are 2 more bedrooms. The closet doors were replaced with panel folding doors. The guest bath has had a facelift as well. New cabinet and sink, mirrors, lighting, and a new commode. Did I mention all the furniture is offered for sale outside of closing? The back door is a very large fenced-in backyard with a new vinyl fence along the front of the house. There's a beautiful lemon tree with plenty of lemons and a large patio with a 12 by 33 grass turf outdoor carpet on the patio, even a concrete boat pad. Less than a mile to our beautiful sugar white sand beaches and emerald waters we are so known for. I believe it was Belinda Carlisle who sang "Heaven is a Place on Earth." She just didn't mention the address.